All right, JT, we're going on another adventure here. So we're under a bridge right now down here in Tallulah Falls. We have explored all this area up here, swimming and stuff like that. But our goal today is we're going to make our way down through this white watery kind of stuff. We're swimming and rock hopping and then make our way to the lake. And then we're going to swim to a waterfall. This should be fun. Are you excited, JT?
Yes.
All right, so look at the water. It's a little bit cloudy, but that's not too bad. All right, let's go see what this is like. This will be fun. Okay, check it out. We keep going that way, around the side, or we get right there and try to cross that. What do you think?
Let's keep going.
Let's keep going? Okay, we're gonna go that way. All right, easy peasy. I'm coming out there. All right, now what?
I'm thinking we're gonna go forward, keep going, and then cross.
All right, that sounds good. All right, lead the way. That could be fun right there. Not swimming, but maybe in a kayak. How your shoes doing? Are your shoes sticky or are they slippery? All right. Nice.
This is a lot colder water to cross.
Look, check it out. We can go further and then go across, or we can just go across right now.
Let's go across right now.
All right, it's time to get wet. Let's do it. All right, let's cross right here. Time to get wet. The thing to do before you slip and fall while you're walking on a rock is just sit down in the water. Oh yeah, it's not very deep. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Woohoo, look at that. Cool, I'm hopping over. Yep. Wherever people can go, there'll be trash. All right, let's make our way down through here. All right, pretty easy so far. Woo, that's pretty. What do you think?
Cool.
All right, let's keep going. We gotta get down to that big pool and then we're about halfway, I think. All right, we started up there. Let's keep rolling. All right, buddy, you lead the way. We could go that way, but we're going to go this way. Looking for some.
You tube here. You can tube here.
That's funny. I guess the water's really low, you could go. Looking for some snakes. I hadn't seen one yet. I really thought we'd see one by now.
What is that?
That's a rope.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess it says tubing exit. Let's see. Let's explore right here for a second. So it looks like we're gonna have to swim here. We're gonna start to getting in, get a little wet, which is fine. We actually planned on it. I kayaked this once when it was super high. That's a story all in itself. Whew. All right, we're gonna swim. Are we walking or are we swimming?
I'm walking.
You're walking?
Whoa!
So what I'm thinking is, you know, it's better just to go ahead and get in the cold and hit it.
Yeah.
You first. That pretty rock wall, JT.
Yeah. Go around this big rock.
So it's really hard for me to see my feet because the water's just a little bit muddy. But we'll just keep on cruising.
I'm walking right now.
Yeah, my hands are on the ground, but I feel safer swimming than I do walking.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's deep. The thing I've learned about swimming like this is you don't kick at all because you don't know if you're going to kick a rock or not.
Yeah. I usually don't kick in swimming, so.
Oh, I've seen you kick. All right, stand up time. All right, so we crossed the big pool. Nice. No shoulders yet. All right, JT's gonna lead the way for a second. Make sure we're recording. We're recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
And but what I've discovered in my little bit of white water and being around rivers is the water almost never hurts anybody. I don't think I've ever seen water hurt anybody. It's the rocks in the water. So you got to respect those rocks. And go ahead and just get down in the water. There you go. Nice water swim position. Feet up. I'm walking on a long rock right here. JT's just cruising along over there. Going through the rapids. Feet up.
I'm stuck.
You got a butt entrapment. You go over that way against the rock. It's deeper over there. Feet up, feet up.
Oh,
There you go.
that hurt.
You put your feet down and you hit your shin, I think. All right, we'll make our way over to this tall rock and then we'll come up with a plan. Shin guards would be good, wouldn't they? This is awesome. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, almost to the lake. We almost made it. Let's go. Oh, I saw a big fish jumping out there. Fun stuff? I'm glad we didn't swim through there. That'd be no good. Let's check out the other side. That actually looks kind of fun right there if you're in a tube. Go over there and woo! Okay, last little bit and we'll be at the dam. Yeah, you just come right down through here. Woo! Or we can just hop across. All right, let's chill out this for a second. Show us how deep those potholes are, JT.
This one's the shallow one.
That's funny. All right, let's get down to the lake.
That's deep.
All right, last little section right here, and then we'll be at the dam. It'll be cool. Looks like we just kind of walk across or swim across right here. And that'll be that. That looks deeper out there. Getting deeper, buddy. Oh, it's not deep at all.
Wow. There's a hole.
That's the thing, like you're walking along and then it gets cloudy. Huh. Got a little low-head dam right here. You don't play with those right there, that's bad news.
What?
See, this is called a low-head dam. See how the water's going down?
Yeah.
You don't know how deep it is under there. And the water on top, it's coming back this way. So it can like hold you right here.
Hydro plant?
This is a hydraulic, but it's made by a low-head dam. It's like a perfect hydraulic. And this one's not huge, but it'd be big enough to hold a kayak or something for a little while. Yeah, we'll go around it. Cool stuff. Nice. All right. Yep. We made it to the lake.
We're gonna use these to swim across the lake.
Nice. All right. All right, buddy. We got our buoys. Your buoy's good to go. Does mine look good? All right, we'll drag them along and we'll get to the waterfall. So what we're doing is we're gonna cross this lake and we're maybe going 100 yards and you can't see it from here, but there's a little trickle of a creek coming in. I think that's a waterfall. So we're gonna swim to there, check out a waterfall, and then we're gonna head back. You looking forward to it?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, you're so right.
All right, me or you?
You.
All right, here we go. Nice and easy. All right.
Oh.
We're still on some rocks. Well, yeah, don't do a lot of kicking. Just kind of breaststroking it right now. Yeah, I can still stand up right here. Are you using the buoy already? Yeah. All right, let's get out there a little ways. It's really weird. This is a
It's getting colder.
electrical powerhouse coming down. We're halfway there. All right, made it across. Cool. That's weird not swimming in a pool, isn't it?
Oh, Daddy. Oh, never mind.
It's a leaf.
I thought it was a lure.
All right, so we made it to the bottom of the waterfall, this creek right here. This is cool. If you turn around, JT, and look, but there's a little bit more, and it just keeps going and going and going. So we're gonna make our way that way into the woods. All right, keep looking for no shoulders. Let's go. All right, buddy. JT's gonna lead the way up this waterfall adventure. Watch out for slippery. Is that slippery?
That's spiny though.
Looking for some snaky snakes. Oh, look at our bird up there.
What?
That's a fisherman right there. He's a good fisherman. See him?
Where? Oh, I see him now.
I'm walking straight up the waterfall. It's very non-slippery. All right. Slippery. Cool. Pop, I know you love this. We're making this for you. All right, stop, look around. Whenever you come into like a new room or a new place, you look around. Man, the last time I was here, JT, none of these trees were down in front of the waterfall.
Oh.
None of them. What do you think?
It's cool.
Very few people have seen this one. Pretty cool. Thanks for bringing me.
You're welcome.
You're awesome. All right, let's explore a little bit. All right, so we walked up a little ways. And just keep on going. If these were not here, JT, we could just walk right up that waterfall. Nice and easy. Probably do it right now anyways.
I bet there's a whole bunch of fishing lures.
No, I don't think very many people have been down here. It's hard to get to.
They're like, it's like, they fish and they lose the fishing lures sometimes.
So there's supposed to be a pond or a lake up here to a boys camp called the Athens Y Camp. Pretty far up there. JT's saying maybe fishing lures have come down.
Oh, I just saw a horse fly.
Kill that thing.
Where is it?
I don't know. Oh, it's pretty in here. All right, you about ready to go?
Yep.
Gotta swim our way back out. Awesome. All right. We made it. Yeah. All right, lead the way, buddy. So we got a little log right here. Been there a while.
You should, while you're swimming, put the camera underwater and see if there's anything underwater.
I'm sure there's something there.
An alligator?
I just like swimming on top of the water. It's a little bit stirred up, so I don't think so. All right, last look at the waterfall.
Well, part of the waterfall.
All right, I'm going.
Part of the waterfall.
All right, I'm gonna beat you back. Well, buddy, that was awesome.
Can you stand up?
Nope. Oh, my toe touched. Oh, I love this trip. Did you like the trip?
Yep.
Great adventure. Hope everybody liked it. And if you did, we'll see y'all on the next
adventure. Bye. Later to marshmallows. Bye again.
Oh, kid's funny.